Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show the menu bar in Firefox. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Microsoft, and as we can see I don't have a menu bar here at the moment. To show the menu bar in Firefox I right click up here and click on Menu Bar. And we can see that the menu bar is now displayed to me. I can also remove the menu bar in the same way. I right click up here and click on Menu Bar again, and the menu bar can no longer be seen. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.